Hello, this is case number 1, two voice, 712 words on the subject of auto accident. This will be at 210 words per minute. Now there are some places in here that is going to go really fast because the answers are short. So just bear with me, bear down, and just try to get as much as you can. Ready? Let's write. Question. State your name, please. Answer Thomas Norwood Jr. Question. How old are you? Answer 23. Question. And have you always lived at that address? Answer last 15 years. Question. And you live with whom? Answer my mother and dad. Question. Now then, tell the court, were you also arrested and convicted of automobile theft in the past? Answer yes. Question. When? Answer August of 1991. Question. You served time. Answer 20 months. Question. Where? Answer reformatory. Question. Where? Answer reformatory at St. Charles. Question. Were you placed on parole after 20 months? Answer yes, sir. Question. And then you returned home to your mother and dad? Answer yes, sir. Question, did you go to work after that? Answer, yes, sir. Question, and for whom did you work? Answer, the Burnside store. Question, and how long did you work there? Answer, about a month and a half. Question, and did you report to Mr. Anderson over at the Department of Public Welfare during this time? Answer, yes, sir. Question, and I'll ask you whether or not you got a job after that. Answer, yes, sir. He said that I could get another job. Question, where was your next employment? Answer, General Auto and Tire Store. Question, how long did you work there? Answer, about a month until I got into this. Question, until you were arrested? Answer, that's right. Question, now on this particular day, did you work that day? Answer, that's right. Question, do you know what day of the week that was? Answer, it was on a Wednesday. Question, did you eat at home that night? Answer, yes, sir. Question, did you go out after dinner? Answer, yes, sir. Question, where did you go? Answer, after dinner, about 7 o'clock, I left the house. Question, where did you go? Answer, uptown. Question, do you mean downtown here? Answer, yes. Question, did you make any stops? Answer, a couple of places. Question, I will ask you whether or not later on were you in the vicinity of Washington and Harper Streets? Answer, I was. Question, what did you do in that neighborhood? Answer, went into Curly's on Harper. Question, what kind of an establishment is that? Answer, tavern. Question, sell hot dogs and hamburgers? Answer, no answer. Question, did you have anything to drink there? Answer, beer. Question, what time did you leave this Curly's place? Answer, just about 10 o'clock. Question, that was on the 13th. Answer, yes, sir. Question, did you meet anyone in an automobile in front of Curly's? Answer, yes, sir. Question, do you know who they are? Can you tell the names? Answer, I know one of them was Bob. Question, do you know his last name? Answer, yes. No, sir. Question, did you have a conversation with them? Answer, they asked me where I was going. Question, did you get in their car? Answer, yes. Question, what kind of a car was it? Answer, black Chevy coupe. Question, who was operating that automobile? Answer, Bob. Question, where did you go? Answer, to a roller rink. Question, where is that located? Answer, right off of Marshall Street. Question, did you meet anyone there? Answer, these two boys and a couple of girls. Question, and then what occurred? Answer, they wanted to take them home. Question, did you? Answer, we all went down to a place called the Hub and had something to eat. Question, and when you left there, where did you go? Answer, to Marty's Drive-In. Question, and what happened there? Answer, nothing, but after that we saw this car involved in an accident. Question, did you operate that automobile that evening? Answer, no, sir. Question, who did operate your vehicle? The one you were riding in. Answer, Bob. Question, do you know whose automobile that was? Answer, no, sir. Question, and he was in the automobile when you first got into it? Answer, yes, sir. Question, then the accident you mentioned, did that involve the car that you were in? Answer, yes. Question, were you injured? Answer, broke my nose. I was knocked out. Question, you were knocked out, but you know you weren't driving the automobile up to that time? Answer, positively. Question, can you tell the court what happened after that? Answer, next thing I knew, I was wakened in jail the next morning. Question, and you were taken to the hospital? Answer, yes, sir, I was taken to the hospital, but I don't remember anything. Question, well, did you discover you were in the hospital after this accident? Answer, yes, sir. Question, well, at the time of the accident, do you remember having a conversation with anyone? Answer, no, sir. Question, do you remember any officers there in uniform? Do you remember being taken to the hospital? Answer, no, sir. Question, you don't know whether you were taken in an ambulance or how? Answer, I don't know. Question, when you were taken to the police station, was it evening or daytime? Answer, I don't remember that either, sir. Question, don't you know, well, you got to the police station. Did you have a conversation with an officer down there? Answer, Dan Jackson. Question, and did he ask you about the accident? Answer, yes. I hope you did well. And if you did, there is a video coming for you, which I would definitely try to do this at 2:20. Coming up next.